In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to trade live on pocket option. I'm trading right now as we speak. This is something that I don't normally do because as I'm explaining stuff, I'm losing time in the charts. And as you guys probably know, that on binary options, it is very important to be on time, have sniper entries on these time frames. But I just closed a trade right before I turned on the camera for a nice little $5 win. We started with $66, actually $409. As you can see, we have an 80% payout. And guys, the first thing I want to tell you about binary options or trading period is when you see these payouts, so most of these payouts, guys, will say 92%. As you can see up here, 92%, 92%, 92%. And if you go to the Forex as well, it'll be 92%, and then you'll see 80 and 47, 60 and all that stuff. So right now we're just gonna focus on stocks because it is the middle of the day and OTC Forex trading is kind of manipulated around this time because the actual market is closed. But anyways, we are on Alibaba right now, and Alibaba has an 88% payout. And when the payout is at 92%, it's a reason why it's at 92%, because the broker knows that it's a little bit more manipulated. It is a more tricky pattern to follow. So that means that you're gonna lose more at that 92%. That means it's a greater risk. But at this 88%, guys, it's more straightforward that the chart is gonna do as follows. It's not gonna do anything weird. So you want to place trades on some more of these lower percentage payouts, and you will have a higher win rate because that you are posting on these lower percentage. So right here on Cisco OTC, we have a downwards trend, and this is the pullback. So if we go to the 5-minute chart right here, you will see that we are on a nice downward trend and we have a nice pullback. Halfway into the 5-minute chart, time frame, we are coming down on this candle. So we're gonna take it back to the 1 minute, and as you can see, we're going down on this candle. So I do have my trade opened up for 15 seconds, and let's just go ahead and start trading for real now. Let's go ahead, put it at $10 at 15 seconds, and we're just gonna wait for this candle. If it does, we're gonna wait for it to go up just a little bit. Let's see what it does at the closing of this. And yeah, so it goes up. And if I was sniper, guys, I ain't gonna lie to you, if I was sniper, I knew it was going up at the bottom of that red candle, but I decided not to place the up trade because for some reason when I'm trading, I look for one position, one take. So right here, we're on a pullback on a downtrend, so I'm looking to go back down. We have a red candle right here, so I'm not trying to place that up trade because as you can see, we probably would have lost in 15 seconds because we were all the way back down here. So we're just gonna give this a couple more seconds before we get into this trade, and let's just see what it does. But we are trying to push down, and as you can see, the RSI is at the top of this line right here, meaning that price is oversold. So let's just see if we can come work our way down. Let's see what we're gonna do after the closing of this candle. And once this candlestick closes, guys, let's see what we're gonna do. And I believe we're gonna go down from here in the next 15 seconds. So what I would do, since I was late on that call, actually we're going back up. I'm gonna get it as soon as it turns green, guys. All right, I'm gonna get this candle as soon as it turns green, because once it turns green, it's gonna turn red again. And if it doesn't, so boom, right here. So we have our trade placed. We turned green. We may have been a little bit too early, but we have 6 seconds left, and we just need one drop, and boom, closed. Easy money, guys. And that's how you do it on this binary options trading. And now we are at $79 for the balance, profit of $937, 88% of 1065. And now on to the next currency pair. So now let's see if ExxonMobil OTC is working with anything. So what I'm seeing right now is I'm seeing this zone right here. It touches off of these candles. This wick tried to hit it. So what might happen is on these two candles right here that close at the same area at the bottom, we're gonna see if it tries to hit back to this point, because as you can see right here, we have another wick wanting to come right here. So let me just draw a little line so you guys can see that, and boom. So right here is where we kind of want to touch, but it's already bounced off of that. So we were a couple seconds too late on this pair. We could have got in right here once this candle pretty much tried to reach it, but started inching its way back up. And let's just see if we could get, let's see what happens at the end of this candlestick. We have a big green candlestick forming, so that means we're gonna kind of retract with a red candlestick, and it's already kind of doing that. But we want to make our way up, guys. So for right here, 15 seconds, the zigzag just formed up. So once we come down, just shoot down a little bit more, shoot down a little bit more, and then we're gonna enter this trade for the green position. So boom, right there, we shot down a little bit more, and now we're in for the sniper position. And let's just see if we can get this thing right. And we have 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we have closed for a positive gain. So now we are 2 for 2 on this trading. Actually 3 for 3, guys, because as I said, I turned on the camera as soon as my last trade closed. So we're 3 for 3. Let's see if this will come to this point right here. So we're looking to come right here, guys, because this is where this wick stopped, and this is where the two bodies closed at right here. So we hit this green line right here. We're gonna go ahead and place a sell position. It might start coming down before, but let's just be patient and try to see if we can make ourselves 4 out of 4 for the day. And yes, guys, I am trading with a little bit of money. Not a serious trader just yet, but I know what I'm doing. So it is what it is. If you guys want to listen to me, you can listen to me, but I'm pretty sure if you're this far in the video, you're probably listening to me, and I'm probably spitting out good facts. So all I would ask you to do is just go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and just join the family, man. Learn how to trade the easiest way possible on this binary options trading. And it looks like we're gonna try to come down now, and I'm not feeling confident with this trade, guys, so we might just go to the next pair. Let's see what happens when 15 more seconds. So actually, guys, you see how we're on a zigzag going up, guys. We're kind of in a small upwards trend. The overall trend right now is an uptrend. So we're gonna go ahead. Ah, dang, I missed it. I missed it. Right there is when I was just about to place the trade, but it bounced up super duper fast. Let me try to get it right here on one more pullback, guys, for the sell position. Boom, right there. So let's see if we can fight the trend, but we're going with the overall trend. But right now this candlestick is going down. We do have 5 seconds and 4 seconds, 3 seconds. Hold it, hold it. Ah, at the last second, guys, at the last second we did break out of it, but the zigzag is trying to fight down, and now, guys, it's gonna try to fight up in a couple more seconds. So with this, guys, when the time frames are moving this fast, you can place a 5-second trade when the time frame is moving this fast like this. All right, so these candles are, it's moving, but you just still want to be careful with these 5-second trades because they are risky. So let me just show you how risky this 5-second trade is. We're gonna trade with $3 just for example purposes. Like I said, I'm not used to live trading on binary options, so just for example purposes, as you can see, this candlestick is trying to go up, and on the 5-second trade, it's risky, guys, but it can make you a lot of money very fast because it is 5 seconds. So let's see if we can get it on the pullback to about right here where my arrow is at. We got it, and now let's go ahead, place a 5-second trade, $3, and as you can see, we close in a positive position. Now we can run this back again, pull back, and actually I was in it 1 second too early, but the pullback was, see, 1 second too early. Still would have lost because it still is pulling back, but that is how 5-second trades go, guys. Just for demonstration purposes, you can see that you can win very fast and you can lose very fast as well. Let's hit one more so we can see if we could break this tie of losing one and winning one on the 5 seconds. And but this is a very good example for 5 seconds because the chart is moving fast and we're on an uptrend right here. We're trying to break this zigzag back up. Let's see if we can get this pullback one more time for a big pullback right here. Big pullback, boom. So let's just see if we can fight that pullback. And no sir. So we lost 2 out of 3 trades. Yeah, so that's why we don't really trade 5 seconds anymore, man. We keep it at 15, 30, or even 1 minute trades. So let's go to a different currency pair and let's see if I can. This is Alibaba again. So like I said, we have a pullback and the candles is trying to come down, but it's fighting to the upwards position. So let's just go to Microsoft. Microsoft is another good mover. As you can see, it's nice and zigzaggy, and right here I can already tell that we're probably gonna go back up in the upwards position for 15 seconds. Put it on the 5 minutes, see what's going on, and as you can see, nice pullback, and we're going down. So after you see about 4 candles, guys, 4 or 5 candles, expect another pullback. So I'm expecting another green momentum swoosh this way and then go right here, because then at that point it'll be more so support and resistance all through here instead of just having these 3 pullbacks. But let's go back to the minute time frame and let's see if we can master and make more profit for the day. Like I said, pullback is looking like it's trying to come. But one thing about trading, guys, is you want to trade with the trend. So even though you think this pullback is gonna try to come, there is a lot of more downwards push. So once this candlestick tries to close, we're gonna go ahead and place this downwards trade, just going in the direction of the trend, and we're gonna see if the trend is our friend. And if it's not, then we're done with trading for today. But so let's get it right here. The candle just opened up. I was talking to you guys. That's why I said I don't trade live, because I'm talking to you guys, and I just missed out on my entry. Should have got it right here where you see this dotted line at above this candlestick that just formed. And we are going down, like I said, man. Let's see if we can get it back. Let's just see if we can get it back. That's all that matters, if we can just get it back. So that would have been a good position as well. I'm gonna just watch Microsoft because I'm scared for this pullback to come, because if I go with the trend, even though it's going right now, as soon as I hit this button, it's not gonna go, right? So watch this. As soon as I hit this button, it's gonna go up. But at the same time, it could still go down, because that's just how it works. So like I said, the trend is our friend, but this candlestick is just too long. New candlestick open. We're gonna be going up for a little bit, and then we're gonna drop back down. So let's just see if we can get this a little bit more green. But as you can see, this chart wants to go down, guys. Like, it's a lot of pulling to the downside. So what do we have to do when you see a lot of pulling to the downside or any side, and you see this big downtrend? Man, we gotta go ahead and hit that right there as soon as we see some momentum to the upward send. Now watch. Just watch. Let's see what they try to do here. Let's see what they try to do. We right on it, guys. All right, there we go. Close right. There we go. See, I thought, you see how they got me at the last second and they wanted to push up as soon as I was at 0 seconds. Bro, if they could have, they would have made me lose that. But they trying to keep me with some good faith, and they trying to keep me trading. So as you can see, man, we just won $9 for the day. Something slight. I'm live trading. I don't normally do this. This is why I'm doing it with small amounts of money. But if you enjoyed this video and I taught you something new that you didn't already know, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to check out the links in the description. Schedule a one-on-one with me. I'll teach you how to trade the easiest way as possible. Middle schoolers can trade like this. And also, guys, I do help start up online businesses and even help you start up your trucking business if that's something that you're into, because I am a trucking expert. Have started a business at the age of 19. And it's a lot of trucking videos on the channel if you want to learn how to make $1,000 a day the easy way, man. So it is what it is. My name is King Lotta. This is Black Investors Group. If you haven't subscribed yet, like, what are you doing? You know what I'm saying? Oh, hold on. We have another doji candle right here. So on this doji, see, I'm trying to end the video off, but I'm still screen recording. And as you can see, we have a doji candle. The doji right here, small body, long wick, means that we're going to head upwards, guys. So we're trying to head upwards. We're trying to have a change in direction. And as you can see on this 1 minute, we can go ahead and place an upwards trade because now we're reaching that pullback. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this trade as soon as it comes down a little bit more on that. Ah man, we missed it. Hold on. Pull down, pull down, pull down. All right, boom. I think that's enough pulling down. Now we're gonna pull up. We're gonna pull up. 10 seconds. What I told you, we're gonna pull up, and hopefully we stay. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Up, pull up, go, pull up. God dang. Well, now we gotta end the video for real now. But as you can see, binary trading, not 100%. I just won 50% of my trades while I'm talking to you guys. Big mistake, but we still are in a $4 profit for the day. Not much, but it's something. If I was trading for real, I'll probably be in $400 profit. So it is what it is. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. We out. Woo!